the month of February, it being a month to express love, we're expressing love to our existing clients, and we want to pull in new clients. So what we're saying is this: we want to offer very high-speed internet at a very low cost, at no installation fee. What am I saying? Most of the time, clients approach us, and the only thing that becomes an obstacle or a challenge is the amount of money that we charge them to install equipment at their premises. I am talking about home users. So we're telling these home users, for you guys to experience wonderful month of February, come to our offices. We will connect your homes with the kind of internet I mentioned, and we will charge you 0 francs for installation. And the amount of internet you're going to be getting is 1 Mbps per second, and the money that you're going to be paying monthly is 59,000. If you want to reach us, come to our offices, and the package is ready there. Our engineers are ready to connect you, and let's do business.